TECNO Spark Go 3. Built for real life, not just specs. In a world where smartphones are often judged by flashy specs and headline features, it's easy to forget what most people actually need from a phone. Not everyone is chasing flagship cameras, extreme gaming performance, or luxury designs. For millions of users, a smartphone is a daily companion. Something that has to survive long commutes, crowded classrooms, busy streets, unpredictable weather, and long workdays. And that's exactly the space TECNO is targeting with the launch of the TECNO Spark Go 3. Announced in India, the Spark Go 3 is designed with a very specific user in mind: everyday go-getters, students, young professionals, delivery workers, and people constantly on the move. Users who want a phone that feels dependable, stays connected, and doesn't fall apart under real-world pressure. This isn't a phone built to impress on paper alone. It's built to keep up with real life. Designed for India's everyday reality. Life doesn't always go according to plan. Some days are smooth and predictable. Others are anything but. TECNO acknowledges this reality and has shaped the Spark Go 3 around it. The phone is rooted in TECNO's philosophy of Desh Jai Se Damdar, which loosely translates to strength that reflects the spirit of the country itself. The idea is simple. Technology should be resilient, practical, and confident, just like the people using it. With Spark Go 3, TECNO aims to deliver a device that feels ambitious in design but grounded in purpose. It's meant for users who want a phone that looks modern and stylish, yet can confidently handle daily wear and tear without constant worry. A focus on durability that actually matters. One of the standout aspects of the TECNO Spark Go 3 is its focus on durability, something rarely emphasized in this segment. The phone comes with IP64 dust and splash resistance, offering protection against dust exposure and accidental splashes. Whether it's sudden rain, dusty environments, or everyday spills, Spark Go 3 is designed to keep going. In addition to that, TECNO highlights drop-ready durability, which adds peace of mind for users constantly on the move. From classrooms to construction sites, delivery routes to crowded city streets, this phone is built to survive the kinds of accidents that happen in everyday life. It's not about extreme ruggedization. It's about reliability where it counts. A surprisingly smooth display experience. Another area where the Spark Go 3 aims to punch above its weight is the display. TECNO has equipped the phone with a 120Hz super smooth display, a feature typically associated with higher-priced devices. This results in noticeably smoother scrolling, more responsive touch interactions, and a more fluid overall experience. Whether you're browsing social media, switching between apps, or watching videos. For everyday users, this makes the phone feel faster and more premium than its price might suggest. It's one of those features you don't realize you need until you experience it. Smarter everyday use with Ella AI. Smartphones are only as useful as how easily people can interact with them. That's where Ella AI, TECNO's voice assistant, comes in. Ella AI is designed to understand and respond in multiple Indian regional languages, including Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, Gujarati, and Marathi. This makes the Spark Go 3 far more accessible to users who prefer interacting in their native language rather than English. From basic commands to everyday assistance, Ella AI helps reduce friction and makes the smartphone experience feel more natural and inclusive, especially for first-time smartphone users or those upgrading from basic devices. Connectivity, even when networks fail. Connectivity is another area where the Spark Go 3 focuses on real-world challenges. With No Network Communication 2.0, the device is capable of enabling communication in low-signal or no-signal environments. This includes places like basements, warehouses, factories, construction zones, and even remote rural areas. For users who rely on their phones for coordination, safety, or work updates, this feature can make a meaningful difference. It reinforces TECNO's goal of building phones that stay useful even when conditions aren't ideal. Built for students, professionals, and hustlers. According to TECNO, Spark Go 3 is made for people who move fast and expect their devices to keep up. Speaking at the launch, Arijit Talapatra, CEO of TECNO Mobile India, emphasized that young consumers need smartphones that match their pace. He described Spark Go 3 as a balance of strength, intelligence, and dependable connectivity, wrapped in a design that feels relevant to modern lifestyles. The goal isn't to overwhelm users with unnecessary features, but to deliver consistency and confidence from day one. Practical pricing and availability. The TECNO Spark Go 3 is available in a 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage configuration, priced at Rupee 8,999. It goes on sale starting January 23rd, available through leading retail stores across India and on Amazon. This pricing places it firmly in the affordable segment while still offering features that feel competitive and thoughtfully chosen. Users can also choose from 4 color options: titanium gray, ink black, galaxy blue, aurora purple. Each color is designed to appeal to younger users who want personality without sacrificing durability. More than a phone, a statement of intent. TECNO positions the Spark Go 3 as more than just another budget smartphone. It's meant to represent dependability, confidence, and everyday strength. The company's broader vision is shaped by its 3B philosophy: best design, best DI, best signal. This philosophy reflects TECNO's belief that technology should empower users, connect communities, and make a real difference, not just impress on spec sheets. By focusing on durability, smooth performance, smart AI integration, and reliable connectivity, Spark Go 3 aims to deliver an experience that feels honest and practical. Final thoughts. The TECNO Spark Go 3 isn't trying to be a flagship killer or a spec monster. Instead, it's focused on something far more important for most users: being reliable. It's built for real life, for unpredictable days, for busy schedules, for people who just need their phone to work every day. And in a market crowded with compromises, that clarity of purpose might just be its biggest strength.